Hey everyone! Today I'm unlocking the secrets of cost-benefit analysis. If you're a student looking to make smart choices in life, this technique is a game changer. So, what is cost-benefit analysis? Simply put, it's a systematic approach to estimating the strengths and weaknesses of alternatives. Whether you're deciding what major to choose, where to study, or even how to spend your weekend, CBT helps you weigh the positives and negatives. First, you gotta list all the costs involved. Costs aren't just about money, they include time, effort, and even stress. For example, if you're considering taking an extra class, think about the tuition fees, the hours you'll spend studying, and the mental energy you'll need. Next, list all the benefits. Benefits are the good things you get out of the decision. Sticking to our extra class example, benefits could be gaining extra knowledge, boosting your GPA, or even impressing future employers. Now here comes the tricky part, assigning a value to each cost and benefit. This can be subjective, but it's crucial. Try to be as realistic as possible. For instance, how much do you value your free time? How important is that potential GPA boost? Once you've got your list, sum it all up. If the benefits outweigh the costs, go for it. If not, it might be time to reconsider. Cost-benefit analysis isn't just for big life decisions. You can apply it to small choices too, like whether to buy a new gadget or hit the gym. It helps develop critical thinking and ensures you're making decisions that align with your goals. But remember, while CBT is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. Some costs and benefits are hard to quantify, and emotions can sometimes cloud judgment. So use it as a guide, not a rulebook. Alright, that's a wrap on cost-benefit analysis. Next time you're stuck in a decision-making rut, whip out this technique and make a more informed choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.